Jingshna ya subway ha ka benta jong ka Surok Shillong Dauki ka Dkut Harum Laitlyngkot Kalayat stat marga sarkar jilla ka khamilanti ba Hapoh ka Taïew onla ban ple biang ya ka Surok na ka benta ka lait kawan jong ki kali usembut menteri rang ba ka jilla uba preston tin song ha ba kren chikla pathai khubor ha ka arp khnai tarik unai tung arja arpun riu Ura ong ba ka sarkar jilla ka lapatha ya ka NHIDCL ban china da ka subway ha ka te ka jaka Dkut bat ka kam kalayat chakman Ulay thuru balada ka jingpen tray ka yai kat kum balabu Hapoh ka Taïew anla ban pleno ya ka ni ka benta Surok ban pinsuk ya ka lait kawan jang ki ba Kumban chipen kan mau ha ka arfway trek unai tung arja arpen riu ka office USDO ka pen ursla civil subdivision kalapen long ya ka jingyalang bat ki officer na ka PWD NHIDCL YFC project private limited Ace Construction ki board pulit ki officer sarkar pat kinong hilam shnong na reward pat pen ursla Banyakren halor kate ka benta Surok. Hadin ka jingyalang ka kinhun balayalam daw SDO ka pen ursla uba Gautam Wadri kalalit jurip ya ka jaka Dkut bat ya ka Surok na Laitlyngkot chalang kerdem ha ka bala lap babun ki benta Surok kila kim na ka jinglang ki jingtua mau bat kindaw ka babu jingma ya ka lit kawan. Ka jing Dkut jong kate ka Surok kalawan ra ya ka jing e ka bakraw ya kinong lait nongwan bat ya ka kit ka ba bat bun kinong song shnong bat kinong yalam shnong kila pin pau ya ka jing so khya namar ba ka Surok shipor kam la ban pelait pura ya ka jing e kam tam mi ki kali he.
See, instruction has been given. I'm always in touch with the district MCM, with the DC, and with our SDO civil, and then with our team from PWD. They are on the job. And see, the real issue here is about that, that portion where the road was washed away. So now instruction has been given to NHIDCL with the company whom they selected for execution work to create a subway there itself. So I'm happy to inform you that now creation of subway is almost in the final stage. The work is on, day and night. This company are working, and I'm very sure hopefully within 1 week's time, right? Sir. Maybe within one week's time, we'll be able to again make this Shillong Dauki road operationalized. Come again.
How do you speed up the work?
Speed up the work, what?
The Shillong Dauki road.
Then Shillong Dauki road, again, I'm telling you because this is not directly under the control of the state government. You are aware that. I think you know it well. This is done by the government of India through the NHIDCL. Ministry of Road Transport has entrusted NHIDCL to do all the needful. So, but from our side, from the state government and from the state PWD, we are also working together with the NHIDCL. Any issues, any logical, any sensitive issues which they have or the challenges that they have, the state government step in, district administration step in. So that is the duty from the state government where we are doing.
Habatin, page bahagi kishap, kashap plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataye kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau khau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pet ya ka sharp plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam kta I ka dur jingki marbam ka jingma lani ka rukom shed yaki. Balehi banai kita. Kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka khia. Ka nutrition ba khambha ka jing im ba khambha pendon kam daki marba modon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya